Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I am SendIt Steve, and this is my 99 C5 Corvette. Now, before we get started on today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to Austin. Today is his birthday, so guys, shoot on over and check him out on his YouTube channel. He's my little buddy. He's been at the call outs. Great kid. He's got a great head on his shoulders, great support system, and also head on over to his channel, Street Savages, and wish him a happy birthday. Also, check out some of his videos because he is actually trying to become monetized, and I think he needs 2,000 more watch hours. So head on over, Street Savages. I'll try to drop a link down below and check him out, give him some support, wish him a happy birthday. Now, I'm sure you guys are wondering why I'm walking, and I'm walking for a good reason. I actually had a car that needed exhaust work, and as we do know, the exhaust shop is only about 2.1 miles from my house. So what better way to get some fitness this morning than to walk down, pick up the car since it's ready to go, and head back to the house and get our day started. So I will see you guys back at the house. We are back with the car. Definitely was a long walk. I actually just went inside and sat down for about a half hour, 45 minutes. So I'm just not feeling myself lately, but that's neither here nor here. We got things to do. So garage update slash, we'll do an update here of the driveway. We still have the Fusion. They still have not come for that car. I've been talking to them kind of off and on. I got to move the camper, otherwise we can't get the car out of there. They are super aware of it and they appreciate it. So Prospect Used Auto Parts, huge shout out to you guys. Again, check them out. They will give you 10% off. Just tell them SendIt Steve sent you. So we still have the golf cart. We are going to clean this stuff up. I'm going to have a fire later tonight, burn all the wood over here. We still got the Polaris 90, kids' bikes. We have the Beetle. Now, if you guys know the Beetle, you know Mike, Street Speed 717, ran it over. Well, last night I decided, let's have a little fun with it ourselves. So we took the Sierra. You know what? I'm not even going to explain it. Here's the footage from last night. Well, all in all, you guys are gonna have to let me know who did it better. Completely bone stock GMC Sierra 05. I believe Mike's is an 05 or somewhere around there too. But yeah, we did need a little assistance because we don't have the ground clearance that Mike has. But you guys let me know who did it better. Now that we're done having some fun, let's get the truck backed off and let's start replacing the front end of this car. That's right, guys. We got up on here and a bunch of people had messaged me and said, oh, you needed ramps to get on there. Well, as you can see, it already hit the headlight. So I did not actually want to break this headlight because I do plan on driving it, but we are going to give it round 2, and that is going to be later today. Also, we have a couple fun things that we are going to do with this car. This car will be around. I do intend to take it to the call outs. Who knows? We might even throw nitrous on it or a turbo kit. If I can find a cheap 2.0 turbo kit, I might be interested in turbo in that car. Now, we do know it does have transmission issues, but we'll address all that stuff, guys. We are going to have some fun with this car, and I don't know where it's going to take us yet, but for now, just remember the Beetle is on the channel. So we'll go down through here. We still have the C5. I love you looking all sexy over there in the yard. We have the Escort. That's the car we just picked up. We have the Oldsmobile Alero. We obviously have the 05. We have the car trailer over here, which I did actually start painting, so it does look a little better. If you look at it here, you can see one side is done. That's where I painted the valve covers and everything like that, the headers. And then we have this side, which I still have to do yet. So we did get this all painted up. It looks great on the back. You can tell on the ramps too. You can see the difference. So we are working on painting this up just so it looks better. If you see this rail here looks bad, and then the next from that rail back are all painted. So everything in the back has painted. Pretty much I have to do that ramp there, this ramp, the back side of this, sides, and this ramp. So leads me to my next vehicle. Man, is this a cool little car. And I wish it was mine, I do, guys. This is actually a cool car, but this is actually a good buddy of mine's wife's car. We got to do a thermostat to it, and valve cover gasket and headlights. She said she dropped off headlights that he had purchased her, so we are going to throw headlights in the car too. So just sort of a little project. As we do know, I work on cars. I don't mind taking on side work for other people, so maybe we'll record this. Let me know in the comments down below whether you want to see me do the thermostat and valve cover gasket and headlight install on that car. Cool car. So we are actually going to take this car to get it inspected now that the exhaust is on. As you can see, no inspection stickers. So it's actually a really clean car. You can see in here only 114,000 miles, very well taken care of. I think it's an 01 Ford Escort ZX2. So we're gonna go get this thing inspected, and we actually have a buyer lined up, actually a trade deal. And if this deal works out, I might be excited, because it's one of the things that I've wanted in a long time. You know, I kind of think they're cool. I don't know how long I'll keep it. Probably won't keep it very long. We will probably sell it, but let's head over and get this thing inspected. And just like that, guys, we've made probably one of the better deals I've ever made. I mean, this Jeep is absolutely bad to the bone. 6-inch lift, Mickey Thompson wheels. Looks like they are 35s or 33s, rough country lift. We are gonna have some fun with this bad boy, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Not a bad trade deal, I gotta admit. That's right, guys. It's a 5-speed. Well, guys, since we got a new Jeep here, new project, why not stop over at Street Speeds and show him? Holy smokes.
He's got a new ride.
What do you think?
Dude, I am so hyped for you.
We traded, and I didn't even tell my people this yet.
Okay.
I mean, I did show them the deal go down,
Well,
but
this isn't going live tonight, so.
I traded a vehicle that I paid $330 for. I put a flex pipe on it, a new battery, and got it inspected.
And it's running.
And this is a running, driving Jeep.
Dude, it looks it looks like good.
An older guy. Wait till you get to the other side. The other side is definitely SendIt Steve quality.
Okay, we got a rough country steering wheel.
Rough country 8-inch lift.
8-inch lift on this battery.
Yeah. You gotta look on the inside. This is my favorite part. Now, I believe they are. Yeah, I don't know where they came from. Yeah, I don't really know.
Oh, and it's a 5-speed.
And it's a 5-speed.
Dude.
My favorite part of the whole thing.
Oh, it'll never break.
Never.
Dude, I'm friggin' this is an awesome project.
Definitely.
It's got really nice wheels on it too.
I love the rear bumper.
Yep.
Yeah, the wheels, Mickey Thompson wheels.
Little steel beam on
He was
there.
very adamant to tell me that he paid $178 a piece for the wheels alone.
I believe that.
Yeah. He definitely pointed that out multiple times.
Sure
He's like, I'm losing out. I just don't like the way it rides anymore. Like I need air conditioning.
What did he expect?
I have no idea. He was an older gentleman. Older gentleman.
Hey, fair enough. Fair
Yeah.
enough. Dude, it's freaking.
All right, guys. Well, today did not go as planned, but you know, nonetheless, that's part of being a car dealer. Like I said, we ended up getting that Escort sold, well, traded. We traded it for that Jeep. Great guy, by the way. Thank you very much. I'm happy with the deal. I think that Jeep could use a clutch and does have a little bit of rust issues and a little bit of issues, some you know, here and there. But all in all, for the money I have in that Jeep, I cannot go wrong at all. So I wanted to tell you guys, I do plan on going to Beaver Springs Dragway, which will be July 7th. It is a test and tune, and we will be testing out the new rear in the C5. Now, I say new, I know I did put a used unit back in it, but we will be testing out the rear to make sure it can hold the power, because as of now, we are still on a small shot of nitrous, and I want to go to a 200 shot. So we're going to test it, make sure everything's strong, everything's together. You know, like I said, that call out was the first time that this car had actually been together and down the track, being a 6.0. I'm happy with it. I'm not leaking any fluids. There's, you know, no issues or anything like that. So I couldn't be any more excited. I'm ready. We got to get this thing to the track. So guys, I'm inviting you guys out now, July 7th, Beaver Springs Dragway from 5 to 9. It is a test and tune. Bring your cars, run with me, have some fun. If you have something faster than the C5, please bring it out. I love competition. I love friendly competition. That's what it's about. Hanging out with you guys, having fun, interactions and things like that. And everybody knows I do this for you guys. I do enjoy it personally myself. So come on out, guys. Beaver Springs Dragway, July 7th, 5 to 9. It is a test and tune. Run what you brung, pretty much. So you will see the C5 there. That is probably going to be the next event. Well, that is going to be the next event you guys see this car at. There's a Wednesday night meet I might go to just to kind of hang out locally. But definitely come out, guys. Stop in, check me out, say what's up. And I now have to get this car done because she's been texting me. And like I said, this deal took a lot longer than I had thought. But nonetheless, we have the Jeep. It is here. It is, you know, ours. Might stay around for a little bit. I am definitely going to post it for sale, you know. If it sells, it sells. If it doesn't, we are going to have some fun. So if you guys like the content, I know today was kind of a jumbly, all over the place kind of day. But if you like the content, please subscribe. And I can promise you, you will not be bored being on this channel. So guys, I'm going to now blow up the bouncy house and let the kids have some fun and start enjoying the weekend. So I will have another video uploaded probably Sunday. If not, it'll be Monday. So that'll be the next upload, guys. Take care, and you guys have a fantastic 4th of July weekend. Oh yeah.